Hello everyone, my name is Vijay and welcome back on my channel. So friends, in this video we are going to talk about the lexical scope in JavaScript. So what is the lexical scope? So here we will try to understand by an example what is lexical scope here. So here we have defined a global variable and then we have a function addition. Inside this function we declared a variable b and a function inner function we have given the name, and this function has a local variable c, and this function is printing the value of sum a plus b plus c. So here we are executing this function. When I am going to execute this function, so this function parse each and every line of code here. So it will execute this inner function. So this inner function will try to print the sum of a plus b plus c. But this inner function has the only local variable c. So it will look forward the a and v variables in its inner scope first. When it will not find here, then it will go outside of this function to find out the reference of these two variables. So on outer level it will find the value of b. So again it will look forward the a variable. So again it will try go one level up outer of the parent functions. So now it will look in the global context. So now here this function will find the reference of a variable. So here we can understand easily, whenever any function try to parse any code, it look forward the reference of all the variables which are being used inside this. So first it look inside its own scope, then if it doesn't find here, then it goes in the one level up outer scope. Even if it doesn't find, then it again goes one level up in the context. So this hierarchy and this chain goes so on until it find the reference of the variable. So let's try to run this code in actual editor. So here we have actual code and this is our console. So when I am trying to execute this function addition, this function will execute and will parse each and every line of this code. So it will execute this function and this function will try to print the sum of a plus b plus c. So c is defined inside this inner function. So it will take the value of c from inner scope and value of b from the outer scope and value of a from the most outer scope, that is global scope here. So when we execute, it prints the 60, value of a plus b plus c, it comes 60. So friends, here one question comes, when this function doesn't find the reference of any variable in the scope chain, then what will be happen? Suppose it doesn't find the value of a. Now I have commented here. Then what will be the happen? So when this function will try to print the value of a plus b plus c, so this line of statement will give the reference error on the console. Let's see. Again we run the code. So here you can see the reference error in the console. A is not defined. So why is it happening? Is it happening because you are using the reference of variable a, but this function doesn't find the definition of this variable in the scope chain, neither in inner scope, not either in outer scope, or not in global scope. So it gives the reference error. So friends, I hope you have understood how the lexical scope work in JavaScript. If still you have any confusion, please write your query in the comment section box, so I will try to resolve as soon as possible. Or if you want any topic should I cover for you, then you can write in the comment box, so I will try to make video on that topic. Thank you for watching this video.